Hi, welcome everybody. All right, we're taking a look here, Jackson Hole, during this hot afternoon, Wednesday afternoon. And it was a bit of a mystery on our last news, kind of looking at this time lapse and wondering, is that a UFO? Maybe a pterodactyl? I'm kidding. It looks like it may have been a paraglider of some sort. So why not? A lot of thermals out there, I imagine. Catch those thermals, you ride them up. Good day for that. All right, here we are in the oil city, and we had some passing clouds. Very warm temperatures in the upper 90s. Some areas 100 degrees. Wheatland I saw hit 100. I'm waiting on the official numbers to come in. I know a lot of areas were close to it. We'll have to wait and see. So cold front moves in though. Big change in temperatures on the way starting tomorrow. We'll warm back up though, and not quite as hot as it was today, but we'll be warm nonetheless going into Saturday, Sunday. So we have this dome of heat, and it's going to be in and out of here from time to time. It will give us some reprieve though, with a low pressure system here moving ahead of a frontal boundary that's up to the northwest. And so just trying to pinpoint where we are. We are right about there. And so again, this thing is going to come and push this heat dome, this high pressure. This is a subtropical high, and it's going to push it back into the Pacific and parts of Southern California. And it's going to allow some of that cooler air to come in for a brief period on Thursday and Friday. And then slowly it moves back going into Saturday. It'll be a slow process though. We're looking at peak wind gusts up to about 30 miles per hour out of the southwest here still Thursday. And then it will turn out of the northwest. We do have a general thunderstorm chance, but it's a question mark of how much will actually accumulate if we get any rainfall. A lot of it might evaporate before it reaches the ground because we're still low relative humidity. Now there's a little more moisture down to the south and off to the east. That's where we have a marginal risk of an isolated severe storm with damaging wind possible. And again, there is a chance of a few storms and showers on Friday. So hopefully we can pick up something. The best chance I think is going to be the southern part of the state and the far northern part of the state. And then also off to the east. So we're pretty dry is what I'm trying to say. We could have some thunderstorms, but again, whether or not the rain reaches the ground to accumulate, that's the question. We'll be around 63, waking up 41 only in Yellowstone, and highs doing a big 180 of 86 degrees, 91 and 85 in Casey. So we go from upper 90s to mid 80s. And the coolest day, as I mentioned, will be on Friday. 75 Yellowstone, 85 in Cody, and Newcastle at 75 or at 85. 75 for a high temperature here Friday. So that's the coldest. And then we slowly begin to warm back up. Dry weather moves in. That ridge redevelops Sunday, Monday.